Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to insert a video to your Squarespace website. So guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself and this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have on your Squarespace account. As you can see here guys, we currently have only one website called tutorials and this is the website we'll be using for today's video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your website in the page by clicking the website name right here. So as you can see here guys, now this has opened up our website in the page, and as you can see on the left side of the screen, there are a couple options that you can use for editing your website, such as pages, design, commerce, and so on. But we do not want to use that today guys. What we want to do is go ahead into the upper left corner and click this up button right here called edit. And after clicking edit guys, now this will open up our website in editorial mode and we'll be able to insert whatever we want. So let's say we want to insert a video right here into this section. What we want to do is click this option right here called add block in the upper left corner. Guys, click on add block and here you have the option to either add text, buttons, and so on. What we want to do is go ahead and click on video. And after clicking on video guys, go ahead into the upper left corner and click on edit. And now you will successfully be able to add a video either from your PC or from a library, or you can add a link from YouTube. After adding a link or selecting your video guys, then you want to go ahead and click on anywhere on the page to exit out and the video will successfully be added. You can resize it and you can put it wherever you want, and after you're satisfied, go ahead to the upper left corner and save your changes, and now your video will successfully be added to your website and people will be able to see it. So yeah guys, that's how you edit a video to your website. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.